Hey guys, my name is Nicole Scott, and today we're going to be talking about how to build business credit. Hey guys, my name is Nicole Scott, and today we're going to be talking about how to build business credit. It is a topic that a lot of people talk about, but not a lot of people want to give you all of the steps. So they make it seem like it's so easy and anyone can do it. But I'm here to tell you there is definitely a process that you need to go through. There are strategic methods that you need to use in order to establish your business credit and understand what the hell you're doing. So that's what I'm here for. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. I help entrepreneurs with business credit, with personal credit, with credit coaching, with business coaching, and a lot of other things. So you can always head over to our website, therealnicolescott.com, or you can check out some of the links below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are looking to start a business, start a credit repair business, build business credit, build wealth. You are in the right place today, folks, because my name is Nicole Scott and this is what I do. I fired my boss 1 year into my business, and now this is what I do full-time, day in and day out. So things are always changing, things are always updating, but I try to give you the realest and the most valid information for you guys to make an educated decision on. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about some of the vendors that you can actually start building business credit with. And this is so awesome because a lot of these vendors are not going to be dependent upon your personal credit. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So we are at the CEO Creatives website, and this is a great vendor for you guys to use to start building that net 30 experience, payment experience. Now, the Creative CEO offers a lot of different products and resources, and you can actually apply for a net 30 account today. It doesn't matter if you're a new business. This is pretty much considered, a starter account because it is a net 30 account. But you can go to their website by using the link below that I provided you with and start establishing a relationship with them. They offer business supplies. They also offer buy now, pay in 30 days, which is a net 30 account. You're buying it now and you're going to pay it in 30 days. They're going to invoice you, you're going to pay it, and then that payment experience will then be recorded with the business credit bureaus. Okay. They do have digital products as well, so you can take advantage of that. And their website kind of goes over like what a net 30 account is. Basically, they're giving you products, they're expecting payment in 30 days. Why are those type of net 30 accounts important? Because it develops your ability to be trusted, your ability to repay back debt as agreed, okay? And of course, it gives you more time to pay on your purchases, which is a greater incentive for us to be able to leverage our credit. So they also report these payment experiences to the business credit bureaus, which will allow us to build a stronger credit profile, okay? Because the more payment experiences you have with these business bureaus, the better off you are. Our goal is 15. And if you get my business credit ebook, I have a ton of different vendors in there. And I'm telling you, this business credit ebook is the exact proven steps that I used to build my business credit and that I help my clients who build their business credit. And I charge $5,000 to build up business credit. So I'm literally sharing this information with you guys so you can take action, so you can do these, you can follow all the steps and build business credit on your own, because it's not hard. It's just a matter of having the right roadmap, having the blueprint. And that's what I'm giving you guys. I'm giving you the blueprint on how to do it. Okay. So these are some of the net 30 accounts, the pros, the cons. I actually have an account with the CEO Creative, and I bought a lot of things with them, and I've established a good relationship with them. And you can actually go to their homepage. You can shop their electronics, their website, graphics, print, office supplies, home and office cleaning stuff. So if you were looking to buy any of those items, I would definitely buy it with some sort of net 30 vendor. So that way you can start establishing your credibility, your business credit. And Sometimes it's hard when you're a brand new business, but places like the CEO Creative make it really easy for new businesses to go ahead and start establishing their credit as a business, right? Because some places don't really trust new businesses. They're very risky, they're high risk. But the CEO Creative is actually going to be one of those net 30 vendors that is considered more of like a tier one. But of course, you want to make sure that you have your business set up right, right? We talk about how to structure your business so that way you can start building business credit. How do you do that? You want to make sure that you have your business name that's not high risk or anything crazy, right? Just a simple business name, a business address, not a P.O. box, not a Staples store, not a postal annex, a physical business office location. It can be a virtual business location. You want to have a business telephone number that is not your mobile number. You want to have a business email address that is not Gmail, Yahoo, or AOL. It has to be something like admin or support at yourbusinessname.com. You want to have a business website. So if you need help establishing your business website, I do websites. You can head over to my website, therealnicolescott.com. Again, that's therealnicolescott.com. And you can actually get a website built with Wix, and we can do that for you. So you can check that out. I actually designed my website, so you can use that as a reference and see if that's something that you'd be interested in. But those are the ways to, establish your fundability, right? You also want to make sure that once you have your business established with the state and the IRS, that you've actually listed your business online so people can verify who you are. Listed with 411, listed with white pages, yellow pages, Bing, Google My Business, all of these different steps that you need to follow, they're all in my credit ebook. So you want to make sure to get that. I've left the link below for you guys to do that because I've literally spent thousands and thousands of dollars to get this information, and I give it to you guys for a little bit of nothing. Why? Because I want to help as many people as possible. I'm not worried about making the most money as possible. I want to help as many people as possible, and I want to make it affordable so you guys can actually afford to do it, because there's people out here charging $5,000, $10,000 for this same information. So my goal is to provide value with you guys. So if you haven't by now, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. Make sure that you've liked the video. Make sure that you show the channel some love so that way we can get out to more people. When you like it, when you comment, it tells YouTube, hey, this channel is doing well. We like this channel. We want to get this out to more people who can find value with these types of videos. So if you are looking to get any sort of apparel that the Creative CEO or the CEO Creative is offering, then you want to go ahead and apply for their Net 30 application. Now, you actually have to use the account in order for them to report. So once you apply for a Net 30 application, then you would want to go ahead and place an order with them. So you can see on their application that they're asking you for the basic information, as we were talking about, your business name, when you were business, how long your business has been established. Now they want your company to be established for at least 90 days. Okay. They're going to want your EIN number, which is from the IRS. They're going to want your DUNS number. So hopefully you've registered your business with Dun & Bradstreet. If you have a credit safe number, they would like that. So these are all things to ensure that, you're set up properly, it gets reported properly. You want to make sure that everything is set up before you start to go and apply for these business trade lines, because this is what they are. These are business trade lines. These are going to help you start establishing business credit so that way you can prove your ability to repay back debt as agreed. Because at the end of the day, that's all that business credit really is. The concept of business credit is very simple. We're going to invoice you and you're going to pay your invoice on time. When we invoice you, you're going to have 30 days to pay it back. Okay. You need to pay your bills on time. You need to understand the terms of your account. You need to make sure you're paying your bills, if not on time, early. Early is good. Okay. So if you found value from this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and watch out for the next video. I've got a whole playlist on how to build business credit. So go check that out in the link below. Until next time, guys, take care.